What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. I'm going to be showing you an updated eyebrow tutorial, so let's just get into it. So here I am with absolutely no brows, and boom, look how fabulous my brows look. Here's a panorama of my brows with nothing on them. They're barely even cleaned up. So I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in the color Ebony and my Anastasia Beverly Hills angled brush. So I start off with very minimal product on my brush. And I am making gentle strokes on the bottom half of my brow. And as you can see here, I actually messed up, but it's okay. You just keep going in the direction and in the shape that you would like to make your brow. Do not worry about making little marks and little mistakes. You're pretty much making the outline for where you will want your brow to be and the shape that you will want your brow to have. Once I get my shape, I just start filling in between both lines as much as I can with whatever is left on my brush. And I actually start to kind of change the angle that I'm using my brush so I can get some of the product that I may have initially put on the brush. If you need to get more product, feel free to dip into your pomade. Just be very generous about how much you're using so that your brows look very natural. Here at the front of the brow, you want to go in an upward motion because the pomade is actually replicating your hairs. It's giving your hairs, yes, a more denser, thicker look, but it's replicating the direction that the hairs grow in. So always change that angle brush in the direction that the hairs lay. So there you have just one little layer, and I do go back into my pomade just because I do want to darken it up and kind of fill in some of the gaps here and there with some more product. Now using the opposite end, which is the spool brush, you're pretty much going to brush out the eyebrow, just kind of to even out the product. And if you have more hairs than I do, it will help lay the hairs down as well. Here's my secret. Lightly brushing out this area will definitely help your brows blend and give a more natural look. So there we have it. An after and a before. Before and an after. And there's the finishing brow on the opposite side, and there is the finishing look. Next, I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to highlight underneath the brow, just to clean up my brows and give them a more defined look. And this helps a lot if your brows aren't waxed or pre-arched. So I'm blending it away with my blending bud. I personally think that this time I did use too much concealer, but this was also my first time using this concealer for my underbrows. So I'm going to go on ahead and change my tool and use a blending brush and try to brush this out and make it blend so that you guys can see a very natural look. So there you guys have it. That's my updated eyebrow tutorial using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in the color Ebony. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.